The next movement is walking backwards. I'm going to start with where you're going to place your hands. In the center of your palm, there's an acupuncture point that controls the energy of the upper limb. You put the center of the palm onto your Dan Tian, which is 3 finger breadth below your belly button, and then the next center of the palm on top of the center of the palm. So when energy points are next to each other, it helps to grow energy.
Movement 4, stepping backward.
Bend your knees very slightly to where you're comfortable, and then transfer your weight to the right foot and lift the left heel up and take a gentle step back. Step back if you can in a curve sort of fashion, then put the left foot down, shift your weight back, and now lift the right heel up, pivot on the ball of the right foot, and straighten your right foot. And then you can bring your right foot closer to the left, and then do the same. Step back, and shift weight back, then lift the left heel up, straighten the left foot, and you do the same to 2 left side and 2 right side. At the end, put feet together and stand up. Ideally, when you bend your knees and when you start moving, it would be good if you keep bent in that level. But if you keep your knee bent all the time, it takes a lot of muscle strength. When you're not used to it, it can be too strenuous. So if you feel just a little strenuous, it's quite okay to stand up in between. Will make it a lot easier, and then go down when you're ready. As your Tai Chi gets better, as you grow more muscles, then you can slowly stay lower at the same level throughout the movement. One other thing to keep in mind, now we're going to have a stop. Then bring the foot out. As you get more familiar with this and your leg becomes stronger, it's quite okay to just make a curve and step through without a stop.
Follow Dr. Lam.
Bend your knees. Step back with the left foot to where it's comfortable. Straighten the right foot. Bring the right foot closer. Step out and behind. Straighten the left foot. Bring the left foot closer, back and behind on an angle about 45 degrees. Straighten the right foot. Come back and behind. Straighten the left foot and then bring the left foot closer to the right.